Okay, this is Kertas model SPM4, paper 1. Question number 6. We have the straight line y equals to mx minus 8 intersect with the curve y equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1 at 2 points. That means I have a curve and a straight line. So this is the equation of this straight line, and this will be the equation of the curve. All right, so we need to find the range. When you see the keyword finding range, in this case, we have to use the b squared minus 4ac. Intersect at 2 points. That means 2 distinctive roots. Therefore, b squared minus 4ac will be greater than 0. Okay, so with that, we have to identify our ABC. But over here, we have two function here, isn't it? Two equation. What we need to do is, at this intersecting point, both points satisfy both equations. So let's, at these 2 points, the y here and the y here are equivalent. So this is what we can do. Call this equation 1, call this equation 2. So equation 1 equals to equation 2 at these 2 points. So we will have mx minus 8 equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, rearrange. We will bring this part over the other side. We will have x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus mx plus 8 equals to 0. We are trying to write in the ax squared plus bx plus c format. Then only we can identify our ABC. So over here, we will have x squared and group the coefficient of x. That will be 2 minus mx, 1 plus 8. So we have plus 9. So from here, our A is 1. B is 2 minus m. C is 9. Okay, so from here, let's find the b squared minus 4ac because it is greater than 0. Why is it greater than 0? Because it said it cut at 2 points. So this is that is why b squared minus 4ac greater than 0. So 2 minus m squared minus 4ac. Substitute everything that we have just identified and then open up the bracket. So over here we will have 4 minus 4m plus m squared. The formula to expand this, please memorize. And then minus 36 greater than 0. And rearrange. This is another quadratic, not equation, but inequalities over here. So we will have m squared, all right, minus 4m, our variable is m, and then minus 32 greater than 0. So we assume that this is an equation. If this is an equation, what's next? We have to factorize, isn't it? So let's factorize this. And then to get 32 is 8 times 4. And then to get negative 4m, we will have negative over here, positive over here. So let's double check. 4m, the inner pair is positive 4m, the outer pair is negative 8m, and the sum will give us negative 4m. So our factorization is correct. All right, then only we continue. So up to here, always remember, we cannot solve using like an equation way. When we reach up to here, we have to use the number line to help us. This is a quadratic curve, and our root, if this is an equation, the root will be negative 4 and 8, and we want the value that is greater than 0. This one is your m equals to 0, right? I mean, sorry, your function, the y equals to 0. These are your m. So in order for us to get the positive, it will be whatever above the y equals to 0. So the answer will be 2 parts. So m going that way less than negative 4, or m greater than 8. The variable is m, so your answer must be in m. Don't give x, even though you are so used to x. So this one we have, when we see this 4 marks altogether, whereby 1 mark will be given from this line, This line will be 1 mark. And you identify your ABC and substitute in your b squared minus 4ac. This one 1 mark. And we see the factorization 1 mark. And your final answer less than -4 and greater than 8, another 1 mark. So 4 marks altogether.